Heat 6 tablespoons of oil, then add 1 chopped onion, 3 elaichi pods and 4 cinnamon sticks. Then you add 3 tablespoons of curry powder. Note, you can either increase or decrease the amount of curry powder as desired. Then you add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Tomatoes give your mutton curry extra gravy. Add a little water and stir well. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. And 1 teaspoon salt. Salt is according to taste. Then you're going to add your 1.5 kg mutton and mix well. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. Mutton curry can be cooked with potatoes, cauliflower, cabbage or green beans. But this mutton curry is just a plain mutton curry. Now we can add a few curry leaves. Now we're going to let our curry cook for 25 to 35 minutes, depending on the toughness of the meat. Now this is our curry which has been cooked for 30 minutes and is now ready to be served. We can garnish our mutton curry with dhania leaves, which is also known as coriander, and then serve.